What's next? By reading this book, you haven't received a magic pill for instant success. Instead, you've received a roadmap and a set of tools. Your task now is to start applying this knowledge in practice. Continuous development and improvement. The startup world never stands still. What works today may be outdated tomorrow. Therefore, your educational program doesn't end with this book. Read, continue to study books, articles, and research on entrepreneurship, technology, marketing, and management. Learn from the best. Follow industry leaders. Study their strategies, mistakes, and successes. Subscribe to industry publications, TechCrunch, Crunchbase, Wired, Forbes. Experiment. Your main laboratory is your own startup. Test, measure, learn, repeat. Every failure is a lesson. Every success is validation. The importance of networking and mentorship. Entrepreneurship is not a solitary journey. There's an entire ecosystem around you, ready to help. Networking. Actively build your network of contacts. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and startup events. Meet other founders, investors, and experts. Exchanging experiences, ideas, and connections can be a powerful catalyst for your growth. You never know when a casual acquaintance will lead to an important partnership or investment. Mentorship. Find experienced mentors, entrepreneurs who have already walked the path you are just beginning. Their advice, wisdom, and support are invaluable. A mentor can help you avoid common mistakes, open the right doors, and provide fresh perspectives on your challenges. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice. Most successful people are willing to share their experience. Sometimes, a polite ask is all it takes.